from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
COVID totals in Henrico are rising after a post-holiday bump. And a West End office park has a new owner. We'll have details in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, December 8th, 2021.
And now for the news.
Henrico County appears to be witnessing the post-Thanksgiving bump in COVID cases that is not altogether unexpected. The county's now up to 99 new daily cases during the past 7 days. That's just about double the number of cases that were reported the day prior to Thanksgiving and triple the amount the county was averaging 2 weeks prior to that. Now, so far this month, the county's reported only 5 COVID-related hospitalizations. There have been 3 COVID-related deaths also reported. Henrico's 7-day positivity percentage among PCR testing encounters is 7.1%, just below the statewide average of 7.4%. Both county and state have a positivity rate of 7.7% among rapid tests. Now, all but about a dozen or so of Virginia's cities and counties are back in the U.S. Centers for Disease Control's high transmission risk category. Henrico had spent 3 weeks in the lower substantial category last month, but now it's been back in the high category for the past 3 weeks. That's the highest of 4 such categories. About 75% of all adults 18 and older in the county now are fully vaccinated, according to Virginia Department of Health data. Overall, 71.4% of all county residents of any age have received at least one dose of vaccine, and about 64% are fully vaccinated. It's been a little more than a month since children ages 5 to 11 became eligible to receive the Pfizer vaccine. So far, more than 7,300 of them, or about 26% of children in that age range in the county, have had at least one dose, while almost 3,000 are now fully vaccinated. And not surprisingly, given that data, the number of new COVID cases reported in Henrico County schools also rose. Between November 29th and December 3rd, the first week back in school after Thanksgiving break, the school system reported 134 new positive cases. That's its highest single week increase this school year. Now, overall, the school system has witnessed almost 1,370 cases in its building since September 1st. 723 of those came in elementary schools, 336 in high schools, and 283 in middle schools. The highest numbers in elementary schools last week were at Longdale Elementary, which reported 5 new cases and 62 exposures. Henrico Schools Chief of Staff Beth Tigan will present an update from the Health Committee at tomorrow's school board work session. Stay tuned to henricocitizen.com for our coverage. The Glen Forest Office Park in Henrico's near West End has a new owner. Richmond BizSense reports that the 11-building complex that totals almost 570,000 square feet of space sold for $87 million. The buyers were firms from New York and Dubai. The property had been owned by Brookfield Properties, which acquired it in 2018 when it purchased Forest City Realty Trust. There are about 90 tenants in the buildings. Henrico Police need your help to solve a bank robbery that occurred in Henrico's West End at about noon on Monday. It happened near the intersection of West Broad and Parham Road. A black male entered the bank and stole cash before fleeing across Parham, then east on West Broad Street, according to police. If you know anything, call Henrico Police Detective Tuzzo at 804-928-0321, or you can provide your tips anonymously through Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers at 780-1000 or p3tips.com.